unlock the full potential of your lash and brow service with the right storage techniques for your Elleebana One Shot and your Elleeplex Profusion sachets. The way you store these products is crucial to achieving stunning results. Here's how to maximize their effectiveness. Number 1 is your smart storage tip. Store your sachets in an airtight container or Ziploc bag in the refrigerator. This helps to maintain their quality. Number 2, when ready to lift, you can use your Elleebana One Shot sachets straight from the fridge. But remember, your Elleeplex Profusion sachets need a moment to warm up. Let them return to room temperature before your application. Now, timing is everything. Once open, be sure to use the sachet within 24 hours for the best results on a treatment. Number 3 is watch the temperature. If your treatment room is warm, processing times may speed up. Be prepared to reduce your processing times by 1 to 2 minutes for optimal outcomes. Number 4 is your Elleebana One Shot sachets thrive at temperatures below 24 degrees Celsius, so consistency is key. While refrigeration is recommended, be cautious and avoid freezing. So why does it matter, you ask? By following these essential storage tips and considering your workspace's temperature, you can ensure the longevity and effectiveness of your products. Consistent adherence to these guidelines is vital for delivering top-notch lash and brow treatments that leave your clients coming back for more. Elevate your service with these simple steps and watch your results soar.